Welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to delete your username on the Telegram app when you're using it on your PC. If you've recently installed the latest update, you might notice that things look a little different, but don't worry. I'll walk you through everything so you can get it done quickly and easily. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's ready, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 small horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on those lines. This will open up the main menu where you can access all your settings and account information. From that menu, click on My Profile. This is where you can view and change the details connected to your Telegram account. Your profile page will show you things like your name, phone number, and of course, your username. Next, look for the small pencil-shaped edit icon. This is the button you need whenever you want to make changes to your account information. Click on it, and you'll see different options appear for editing your profile details. Now click on the field labeled Username. Your current username will be written there. To remove it, simply select the text and delete it. Once the field is empty, it means you no longer have a username set for your account. When you're done, make sure to click on the Save option. This step is very important, because if you don't save your changes, your username will remain the same. After saving, Telegram will remove your username completely, and your account will only be connected to your phone number. And that's it. You've just learned how to delete your username on Telegram using the PC app with the new update. It only takes a few simple steps. Open the app, go to the menu, enter your profile, click Edit, remove your username, and hit Save. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to check out more tips to make using Telegram smoother and easier. Thanks for watching.